The Talking Parrot. Once upon a time, there was a shopkeeper who owned a parrot. This parrot was special. It could talk, but it had only learned two phrases. 1. Who's there? 2. It's me. One night, a thief sneaked into the shop. Just as he was about to steal something, the parrot shouted, "Who's there?" The thief froze, thinking someone had spotted him. Scared, he whispered, "It's me." The parrot shouted again, "Who's there?" The thief, even more nervous, whispered louder, "It's me." This went on for 10 minutes until the thief got so frustrated that he yelled, "It's me, you stupid bird!" At that moment, the shopkeeper woke up, caught the thief, and laughed. "All thanks to my parrot." The parrot, proudly flapping its wings, added one more phrase it had secretly learned. "Gotcha, dummy."